uRefilwe Secondary School is in Mkhondo Local Municipality, EMpumalanga District. True to its meaning, uRefilwe will host the provincial launch of the e-learning program on Tuesday, 5 April 2022. The launch event will coincide with the reopening of schools and the deployment and delivery of 6,700 teacher laptops and 55,000 learner tablets preloaded with software and e-content and data ready for offline use. These devices are for grade 12 learners in quintiles 1, 2 and 3 schools throughout the province. Each grade 12 learner will also receive free data every month to enable easy access to the education e-content. The launch intends to revolutionize the delivery of education in the province and to improve the teaching and learning process to the contemporary 21st century standard. This is indeed a major milestone for eMpumalanga province and a step towards reaching higher heights in enriching the potential of each learner. Indeed, we rise to the occasion in the place of the rising sun. eMpumalanga Arise, uRefilwe e-learning program launch.
eMpumalanga, the place of the rising sun.